short while ago I did a couple of videos with regards to a banging sound I'm getting from the Vauxhall Agila, and I've now discovered where the banging is coming from, but now I need to decide or work out what parts it is I need, because it doesn't look like it's going to come out very easily. So the banging is coming from here. So I've got this red bar you can see here. I don't know if you can see the red bar there, it's just up here. That's just part of my jack. I've got that sort of trapped in between two bits of metal, and when I move it you'll see that this will start making a knocking sound, or not so much a knocking sound, but there's definite movement in there. I can feel it there between, might be the banging there, and that's the knocking sound I'm getting when I'm driving. And basically there's some the knocking's coming from this joint here, so where it's coming off the dog bone and into where it's attached to the sort of hub assembly, I suppose. It's where it's knocking, and in fact I can sort of see a bit of, well, no, I thought that was a bit of a split in the rubber there. It's not, it's actually just some muck attached to it. But yeah, that's where it is. So I think that part isn't replaceable, and I think I'm going to have to change the whole dog bone, which is this here. So it goes into a bush just there, and then it also going down the floor where this bar goes in here is also just in there. I think that has to come out as well. Well, it will have to come out. There's a big long bolt that goes in there, but the problem with the big long bolt is, again trying to get in here so you can see, is, see my finger, see that bolt there? It's that one there. Now how the hell do you get that out of there, because there's all sorts of stuff in the way here. I mean, I could take this plastic off, which might give me some bit of gap into it, but how the hell are you going to get a spanner in there? Because I'll bet it's absolutely rock solid with rust and grime and God knows whatever else. I mean, the one over here, that should undo fairly easily, I would have thought, from underneath. And then obviously the one where the banging is, not sure whether the camera's going to pick it up, so I'm looking at it the wrong way. There's a pinch bolt here, so that should, once that's undone, this should drop out, I would have thought. And then it's, as I said, that one there shouldn't be a problem to get out. It's just this one over here. I can't really see how easy it is going to be to get in there to undo it. But we shall see. I might take it to a garage and get it done. I mean, the MOT's due one up on it again soon, so I might just see what they say about it and how easy it is to do. Just looking across from the other side of the car onto the other side to see how that one's fitted, and basically where my finger's pointing is that's where that dog bone connects to within over there. Now I'm just wondering whether it'd be a case of having to undo these 4 bolts here and take the front section of the chassis leg off to be able to get to it, where to then release the bolts. I mean, it seems a bit of a stupid way of doing it, but it wouldn't surprise me if that's how you're gonna have to do it. Yeah, so just a short video of now finding the fault. So I'll put out a future video once I've decided what I'm going to do with it, whether I'm going to send it to a garage or whether I'm going to try and do the job myself. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Cheers.